Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the find text feature that is located within your print jobs report, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the video here, or should I say the tutorial. You will notice that we are already inside the actual print feature, so we won't be opening it. If you want to open it, you just head there to print. Make sure you've got a project open that already has the information. Then after it's opened, we have a nice little feature called find text. This will allow us to find anything within this project. So let's say you know what's the number of a part. Let's say we go, we're looking for part 36. Now keep in mind this is, you can find any text here, but you will use it normally in cases like this. So let's say you want to find part 36. Then we go to this little binoculars icon. So I'll just zoom in here for you guys so you can see better. And then we want to click that, and it's going to pop up this dialog box that says find text and find what. And then here we're going to type in, so let's go capital P36, that's a part number we're looking for, and then we want to go find. Now if I move this sideways, you will see it will highlight for us in red one we found. So here we go, P36. As we can see, we found the actual part, and then you can go find next if there is more in the thing, but as we can see, finish searching the document, and there's nothing else. Now you can obviously also just put in, let's say 6, and see what it finds. If it finds anything, there we go, we've got a 6 over here. And then likewise, if we click find next, it's going to find every single 6, so even if it's in 26 or 36. So just keep that in mind. So you don't, it's better to rather search for something specific as just a general number. Now, like I said, this is relevant to everything in this document, so it'll even find stuff here on the front page, anything that's text related. The little binocular button will find it for you. So it is handy if you're not sure where it is, or if the part is there, you can just simply search it in instead of having to manually go through every single part and looking for the name. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the find text. So just a quick recap, you can find pretty much any text inside this report just by searching. I don't think it's relevant to this, or it works with this actual image. Seeing that it's an image, I won't find the 7-year or 11-year. It will only be text related. But yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. And if you do not find the training videos you're looking for, you simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. And I also do apologize, I realized in the previous video I said the last feature, the navigation details panel, was our last feature for the actual print report, but I totally forgot that we still had to do the find text. So my apologies for that. But yeah, otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.